Today I'm making an upside down pecan muffin cake. First I'm going to make the cake, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of the cinnamon streusel muffin mix. Next I'm following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined and then put this to the side for later. Next I'm going to make the topping, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1½ cups of chopped pecan. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next I'm going to add the cinnamon streusel topping that came with the muffin mix. Next add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Next mix that all together until it's combined. Now I grease the 9-inch cake pan. I'm going to add the pecan topping and spread that out. Next I'm going to add the muffin mix and spread that out and bake this at 375 for 20 minutes and then cover this up and bake it for another 25 minutes at 375. Once the cake comes out of the oven, immediately get a plate to flip over the cake and tap the cake pan to help the cake come out of the oven, and make sure you're wearing oven mitts. Here's an up-close look of the upside down pecan muffin cake.